What's the meaning of cautious? Cautious. Cautious.
Cautious. Cautious. The term cautious refers to a state of being careful and wary in one's actions or decisions, particularly when faced with potential risks or dangers. A cautious person is typically characterized by a tendency to weigh the potential consequences of their choices before making a decision, and may take a more deliberate approach to problem solving in order to avoid unnecessary mistakes or errors. Overall, caution can be seen as a positive trait in many situations, as it allows individuals to navigate uncertain or unfamiliar terrain with greater safety and awareness.